Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you these 3D effects, baby blanket or shawl pattern. It's so simple, only 2 rows repeating and so easy. You can do that easily. I hope you like it. I know you like my 3D effects videos. I hope you like it too. I use here multicolor yarns and size 4 yarn and use 6mm hook. I suggest you will choose your hook more thicker than proper hook. Okay, for example, your yarn is proper to 4mm hook, but you will use 4.5 or 5mm hook. Okay, because my yarn prepared to 5mm, but I use 6mm hook for that pattern. This is its back side and this is front side, and you can see that effects easily. If you know, I shared this pattern with triangle shawl. I remember that. You can visit that video too. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet our new 3D baby blanket pattern. Let's start to crochet. This time I will use again size 4 yarn, but it's a little thinner than this yarn, so I use 5mm hook. With that, it's not important. You will make your prepare your baby blanket or shawl in centimeters. It's so easy. First of all, make a slip knot. I will share you new starting method. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains I made, then yarn over, insert into the first stitch, skip this 3, insert into the fourth one, grab your yarn, lose it or make triple, pull through 2, pull through 2, I make double crochet. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains. I made like this holes. Skip 3, yarn over, insert into the fourth one, grab my yarn, lose it, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over, skip 3, insert into the fourth one, grab my yarn, pull it, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If your yarn so thin, you can add here 1 or 2 chains. Yarn over, skip 3, insert into the fourth one, lose your loop and pull through 2, pull through 2. It's enough for my sample, but you will keep repeat that until, if you want to make a baby blanket, minimum 90 centimeter or 1 meter. If you want to make a shawl, you will make it nearly 2 meters. Or if you start to make it from the width, you need minimum 40 centimeter. Okay, don't forget that. Then make 1 slip stitch and come to this hole, grab my yarn and make my slip stitch. Then 1, 2, 3 and count as my first double crochet. Then I will make here totally 7 double crochet. This is 1, next one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yarn over and come to next hole and make here 7 double crochet again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I complete first row like that. We make 7 double crochet in every hole. Then chain 1 and not count, turn my work and make here double crochet in every each stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I add here one more between of these space. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Complete the second set. Then insert my hook between of them here and make one more single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here make my 8th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Complete the second row and we will start our pattern now. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn my work. Yarn over twice. Skip this previous row, come to the first row and skip 1, 2, 3. Insert the 4th double crochet as front post here and make here triple. Then yarn over and make here 5 double crochet top of that stitch on previous row here as usual stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made 5 double crochet. Yarn over twice and come to same 4th double crochet from the first row and make one more front post triple. Yarn over twice, skip this stitch, come to second set, skip 1, 2, 3, insert the 4th double crochet as front post and make here front post triple. Then yarn over and this stitch single crochet here I insert and make here 5 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then yarn over twice, come to same stitch and make one more front post triple here. Yarn over twice, come to next set, 1, 2, 3, skip, insert the 4th one and make one front post triple here. Then yarn over and this 4th stitch previous rows on the single crochet I insert and make here 5 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and complete the set with yarn over twice in the same stitch front post triple again. Yarn over twice, skip next sets 1, 2, 3, insert the 4th double as front post, make here front post triple, then yarn over, come to same the 4th single crochet and make here 5 double. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over twice, insert the 4th double crochet as front post and make here front post triple. Complete the 3rd row like that, yarn over and come to last stitch, finish with usual double crochet. This is your first repeating row. Okay, now chain one, not turn your work. We will work with this front side. Insert the previous space here and make one single. Then I take the first treble and make here, I insert my hook like that and make here 5 single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it and take the second treble. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then turn to the back side, insert the between of two sets here and make my usual single. Then turn to the front side again and work with triples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the second treble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn to the back side. Between of these two sets, make here single crochet. Then turn to the front side and take these triples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the second one, again complete it with 5 single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn to the back side and make usual single. Turn to the front side, work with triples again. Make on them 5 single crochet and get them a 3D effect. 2, 3, 4, 5, and make my last single crochet on last stitch here. This is the back side. Now 1, 2, 3 and turn my work. Do the third row again. We have this 3D effect. Now you will do same thing. Yarn over twice. We have here 5 double crochet from previous row. Skip 2, insert the third one as front post. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, top of that triple, top of that the third stitch here, usual stitch. Make here 5 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over twice, insert the same third double crochet, make my triple. Then yarn over, come to next set, skip 2 double, insert the third one as front post and make my triple. Then yarn over, insert the third stitch, make here 5 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over twice, insert the third double crochet and make here triple. Yarn over twice, skip 1, 2, insert the third one as front post, make here triple. Yarn over, make here on the third stitch 5 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over twice, insert the third one as front post and make your triple. Yarn over twice, skip 2, insert the third one and make your first triple. Then yarn over, insert the third stitch, make here 5 double. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over twice, insert the third double crochet and make here front post treble, and complete with at the end of usual double crochet. Now you will repeat the fourth rows again. Insert the previous space here and make one single crochet. Then work with your treble and make here 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and work with the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn back to back side and insert your hook between of two sets here and make single crochet. Turn back to the front side and make here 5 single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work with the second one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn back to back side and make usual single crochet. Look at that. You will prepare your 3D effects like that. Make here 5 single, 5 single, between of them 1 single, 5 single, 5 single, finish with single crochet. That's so simple, only repeating the third and the fourth row, 2 rows repeating. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your kind comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.